Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to contact monday.com live chat support. So if you also want to contact monday.com live chat support, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in monday.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of monday.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see several options over here. So if you have any problem and if you want to chat with the support of monday.com, all you have to do is click on the what option that you can see right over here. This is the icon for help. Click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see several options over here. At bottom right, you'll be able to see the option for contact us. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see several options over here. Live chat, email us, request a call. Here in the live chat option, you'll be able to see a button for start chat. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here a chat box is opened. This is a chat box where you can contact monday.com. All you have to do is click on this message box right over here and enter your message. Now here you'll be able to see upward arrow. All you have to do is click on it. Now your message will be sent. So you can see over here monday.com will reply you. So you can get help with any problem. So that is how you contact monday.com live chat support. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.